Hello my amazing family, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today I'm going to be showing you that one ingredient you should add to your rice water for insane, for surprising hair growth. Like your hair won't stop growing if you do this. Recently, I went natural, and while I was relaxed, I did a lot of rice water treatment and it really gave me results. But since I went natural, I haven't had the time to really try out rice water again. But today, I did something really amazing, and in 2 weeks, I had 1 inch of hair. I had 1 inch of hair growth. So this literally means that you are going to grow 2 inch of hair in 1 month, which is insane. Normally, you are supposed to grow ½ inch of hair every month. So imagine having 1 inch in 2 weeks. It means you're going to have 2 inch of hair in 1 month, and in 3 months you have 6 inch of hair, which is what you should normally grow in 1 year. So this one ingredient that I added to my rice water changed the game for me, and I'm really excited to share. Please continue to watch, and if you have watched to this point, please, what have I done to you? Click on that red subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and if this is the content you would like to be seeing, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Just leave a comment, whatever comment, whether hi, hello, anything. Please leave a comment for me. All right guys, let's jump right into the video.
So here I'm using local rice and I'm not going to wash it or anything. I'm just going to leave it like that. Usually I wash my rice properly before soaking it, but this time around I'm just going to use it that way. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add water, just enough, just as much as I need or as much as I want or as much as the container can carry. So I'm not in my house, my comfort, so I don't have my jar, my glass jar. So I'm going to be using this plastic rubber, provided it has a lid to cover it with. So this is me just trying out something new. So the next thing I'm going to do is slice some onion and add it. If you already know, onion juice has a tendency of making your hair stronger and darker and also grow. It also prevents breakage, and this I can testify to. It reduced breakage to it reduced my hair breakage to its minimum, like the least of breakage. So I just decided to add it together instead of making onion juice separate and mixing it with rice water. So I just made it this way. So I left this for about 1 week plus. Okay, yes, I left it for about 1 week, and then after 1 week, this is what the mixture looked like. It's it looks so bad, but we just have to do what we have to do for this hair to grow. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to use this dumb cap to sieve it. You have to sieve it because it has dirt, so you need to sieve those dirt out, and also get your onion and rice out of the way for you to use. You can dilute this mixture a little bit more because it's really strong. The way you see it is really strong, but I just used it like that. It's really strong, I won't lie. It's really strong because if you have any injuries or you have dandruff, this is going to cause pains for you. So if you are using it, you can dilute it with water or you add oil to it, but that's not how I do mine. After spraying it, I get my DIY rosemary oil, and then I use it to seal in the moisture. That is just how I do mine, because I am so scared of rice water breaking out my hair. So immediately I finish spraying water on any section, I get my rosemary DIY oil and rub it in, and that's just basically what I do. Then I massage it in a little. Sometimes wear a plastic bag if you can. Massage it in a little, then wash. So after washing, this is like the protective style I put my hair in. Just really simple, and in 2 weeks this, I think this is not even up to 2 weeks. This is the growth, man. This is the growth. If I do this for 1 year, oh my god. Guys, I promise you updates every day, every month. Bye. Thank you for watching.